Does this ever happen to you? Ah, damn it. Wish my Jeep had footwell lights. Well, wish no more, my friend, because in today's video, I'm going to show you how to install those footwell lights. Your first step is going to be just completely ignore any other mechanical problems with the rest of the entire vehicle. Second step is going to be to find two footwell light assemblies. I don't know what the part number is because I don't know how to do research, but this is what they look like. Step 4, you're going to crawl under here and look for this bolt hole right there. Like right there. See that? Okay. And then there should be this in somewhere. Yeah, right here. This connector right here with those wires. Okay, there it is. It's all bolted in place. Ooh. Ah. What? Oh my God. For the passenger side, I'm gonna go ahead and do the glove box delete. It's a bit harder to see up in this one, but this is for your overhead console if equipped. I think I'll make a video on that in the future. But the yellow and pink wire is for the dome lights. That one goes up to the headliner dome lights where, as you can see, the previous owner has kindly done the dome light delete for weight reduction. Anyway, the connector we're after is right there. See if I can even reach that. And you might notice there's like an indent in whatever this thing is for the light, which sits here. I have tactically positioned the camera so that I can see what's going on, but nobody else can. Hallelujah! Look, it works. I'll do the glove box install in the dark. Alright, now that I have footwell lights, I can yeah. You know, with only the back one and the footwell lights, it honestly is kind of a vibe in here now. Yeah, now that I got those installed, I can move on to less important priorities.